Hi everyone, welcome to la Cosedora nail art. I'm Lady and today we will be doing this beautiful design with nail art stencils, so let's do it! For this design I will use Aztequish, French and lovely stencils that you can find on our Amazon store, link in the description box. I already have applied white nail polish that is completely dry now. I will be mixing designs of our stencils, putting them just on the middle of my nails. It's so important that you press firmly to avoid polish get filtered under the stencils. That's why our first coat of nail polish must be completely dry. Now we are going to make a pretty vertical design according to directions of stencils. Do it in all your nails. Remove stencil immediately. And do it a bit of cleaning. It's not messy thanks to my sweet pillow. And here is our stunning design. I seal it with matte top coat because I love how creamy colors look like. So it's perfect. Hope you like it. Now you know how easy it is to use la Cosedora nail art stencils. If you want to get them, don't forget to visit our Amazon store. Thanks for watching and see you the next time. Bye!